Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect the pen drive to your OPPO Find X2 Neo. And to do this you need to get the pen drive with USB-C plug, or instead you can get the pen drive with normal USB, but you will also need this adapter, which is USB-C to USB. Now let's try plugging in the pen drive onto our phone. On the bottom you can use any type of connection, but it needs to get at least the USB-C. Now it should open your files instantly. If not, go for My Files manually, and here on the bottom you should see OTG. Click on it, and inside you can see all the files on this pen drive. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.